in terms of what I want to see, I think the continued amazing science that the ISS provides, a little bit of what they have provided to humanity is going to pay big dividends down the road. The deep space explorers that go beyond low Earth orbit, they're going to take a lot of things from the ISS. The ability to do things autonomously by themselves without the ground helping them is going to be one of the key things that the ISS provides. The one thing that I hope people realize about the International Space Station is that it is not just America's, that it's humanity's. We're not just doing things for the benefit of the United States. It's just bigger than what we are.
Every new day for us now is a record until you come home. Thanks for that.
The space station is a platform for bigger and more complicated exploration. The greatest achievement of the space station is collaboration. To work together, countries come together, and once we are on board of the space station, living there in the case of the astronauts, we are all the same. It belongs to humankind. It belongs to all the nations that have collaborated and built this station, and furthermore, it belongs to all humans because of what we are researching and discovering for a better life on Earth.
I wish everyone knew that the space station is just a technological marvel designed by engineers all over the world. I think the ISS has a lot to offer for deep space explorers. It's helping us learn how to design and operate systems to keep humans alive. One day that stands out to me is when we launched Crew 1. I was the mission manager for that mission, and it was just an incredible achievement to finally be providing crew transportation services to ISS, which is the whole reason that commercial crew program exists. I think the most important thing we've learned through the ISS program is the great things that we can achieve as really a human species if we work together.
Happy 25 years, International Space Station.
Happy 25 years, International Space Station.
Happy 25 years, International Space Station.